Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rolling kitchen island is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving additions to any kitchen, offering a practical solution for meal preparation, extra counter space, and even serving. Its rolling design allows for easy maneuverability, while the drop leaf provides additional workspace when needed and tucks away neatly when not in use. Whether you have a small galley kitchen or a large open-plan space, a rolling kitchen island with a drop leaf can transform your cooking and entertaining experience, making it more efficient and enjoyable. Number 5. IRONCK Rolling Kitchen Island. It boasts concealed cabinets for small appliances and pots, plus large drawers for utensils and dinnerware. There's even a spice rack and towel bar. Need extra counter space? Simply expand the drop leaf tabletop. Or easily fold it down to save space when not in use. The interior shelves are adjustable to 3 heights. This makes it perfect for storing wine bottles, kettles, or large pots. It's more than just a kitchen island. Use it as a dining bar, baker's rack, microwave cart, or even a workstation. It fits in any room. For smooth rolling casters, make it easy to move. 2 locking brakes ensure stability wherever you place it. What we like? It boasts spacious cabinets, drawers, and a spice rack, perfect for keeping your kitchen organized. The drop leaf expands your workspace when needed, then folds away to save space. If you need a highly adaptable and functional kitchen island with ample storage, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits between my counter and fridge and pulls out smoothly when I need more counter space. The hinges on the countertop that folds down are really good quality. It's also pretty sturdy when it's fully out. Lots of space, but also doesn't take up a ton of room in your kitchen. Number 4. YITAHOME Kitchen Island Cart. It offers extra storage for kitchen utensils and food. Easily move it around your kitchen, dining room, or even the garden. Its sturdy construction supports up to 300 pounds. The smooth, food-safe finish is waterproof and scratch-proof for easy cleaning. Use the wide top as a cutting board or to hold appliances. 3 shelves and drawers keep your kitchen essentials neat and organized. The 360 degrees wheels make it easy to move, even when loaded. 2 lockable wheels ensure stability when stationary. It comes with clear instructions and tools for easy setup. We're committed to providing excellent products and service. Any issues will be resolved quickly. What we like? This kitchen island is a stylish addition to any home, with a focus on both aesthetics and functionality. Its sturdy construction ensures stability even when fully loaded. If you're looking for a beautiful and reliable kitchen cart with plenty of storage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Setup. I did this alone and it took me 2 hours because I'm mindful of how I'm maneuvering and handling the pieces so as not to scratch or break them, and I triple check my work. I also played the video of someone building it, which is on the product page, BTW. I noticed from the video that there are some pieces that now come attached, which is nice. I strongly recommend using an electric screwdriver. The cart absolutely would not feel solid if I didn't use it, and it would have taken me much longer to build. You'll need the Phillips and the square bits. Although it took a long time, it was easy and well worth it because the piece is very functional, so great looking, and very solid with great wheels. Working 3 online jobs at home and having 2 laptops, my bedroom office space needed help. This is perfect for me, can move it around as needed and get it out of the way or pull it out when I am working. It holds all my stuff very neatly in drawers or on the shelf. Top is perfect to hold the computer I am not using and free up my small desk space. Instructions are simple and clear. Easy to assemble. This cart is beautiful in my kitchen and easy to assemble. The tools to assemble the cart are included, which is a big plus. I love the blue color and the cart is sturdy and holds my convection oven perfectly. Number 3. IRONCK Kitchen Island. It boasts spacious drawers and a cabinet, perfect for utensils and dinnerware. Plus, there's a handy 3-tier open shelf for easy access to your spices. Need extra counter space? Simply expand the drop leaf tabletop. When not in use, easily fold it down to save space. The interior shelves are adjustable to 3 heights. This makes it perfect for storing everything from wine bottles to large pots. It's more than just a kitchen island. Use it as a dining bar, baker's rack, microwave cart, or even a workstation. It fits in any room. For smooth rolling casters, make it easy to move. 2 locking brakes ensure stability wherever you decide to use it. This kitchen island offers both style and functionality, seamlessly blending into your kitchen or dining area. Enjoy the convenience and extra space it provides. What we like. This island offers generous storage with easy glide drawers and an adjustable shelf to maximize space efficiency. The drop leaf design adds versatility, expanding your workspace as needed. If you value both storage and flexibility in a compact design, this is ideal for you. What people say. It has the extended countertop that you can raise lower as needed, gives me extra shelving and an extra drawer as my kitchen cabinets are very minimal, and I like the side racks as it conveniently stores my dog's treats and makes them easily accessible. The drawer and larger cabinet on the bottom are also very useful so that we don't have to store our utensils and vases, smiley face. The cabinet has an adjustable shelf, which is nice if you're storing larger items. The wheels make it easy to move around even on carpet. The wheels have a locking feature in the event you want it to stay put. Number 2. PHI Villa Kitchen Island Cart. This kitchen island is the perfect solution to add both style and functionality to your kitchen. It provides extra prep space and plenty of storage for your frequently used items. With its smooth rolling wheels and locking brakes, it's easy to move this island around your kitchen to find the perfect spot, without obstructing your family's movement. The drop leaf tabletop can be folded up to save space when not in use, or folded down to create extra seating with stools underneath. It boasts 3 easy glide drawers, a towel holder, a spice rack, and a double door cabinet, providing ample storage for all your kitchen essentials. Made from high-quality rubber wood and MDF with a protective varnish coating, it's built to withstand daily use and resist scratches and spills. Each product undergoes a strict multi-point inspection process. If you encounter any issues, please contact us through Your Orders, Contact Seller for a guaranteed resolution. What we like. This kitchen island features a convenient drop leaf for extra counter space or compact storage. Its rolling design allows for easy movement around your kitchen. If you need a mobile island with a space-saving design and ample storage, this is perfect. What people say. The drop leaf transforms my kitchen by providing me with extra counter space for dinner preparation and then folding down to keep my kitchen organized. The wheels lock firmly. It was pretty easy to build, the video guide was pretty clear and I put it together by myself in maybe 2.5 hours roughly. Everything fits together well, the drawers operate smoothly. The paper towel holder is super convenient, it stays on without any issue but it's also easy to remove to replace. Drawers are nice and deep with plenty of space. Number 1. Yaheetech Kitchen Island. It features a drop leaf design, perfect for small kitchens. Need extra space? Unfold it. Done cooking? Fold it away to save room. This kitchen island boasts 3 drawers, a spice rack, and a large cabinet with adjustable shelves. Keep your kitchen essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. 5 universal wheels, 2 with locks, make it easy to move around your kitchen. It's stable and convenient, perfect for any kitchen layout. The cabinet shelves are adjustable, allowing you to customize the space to fit your needs. Store tall items or smaller ones with ease. It's made with high-quality materials, including rubber wood and MDF, for long-lasting durability. The smooth surface is easy to clean and maintain. What we like. The drop leaf design provides extra workspace when needed, while the 5 universal wheels ensure easy maneuverability. It offers ample storage to keep your kitchen organized. If you need a versatile and mobile kitchen island with lots of storage, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality is great for what you pay for and the quality of even the expensive stuff these days is cheap, so this is a really great deal. It was packed very carefully and not a scratch on it. The instructions were very clear to be able to put it together, it just took time as I didn't want to mess anything up. Everything lined up perfectly, and they provided extra screws for assembly too. This is a very sturdy and very attractive piece of furniture. The drop-down leaf has 2 wooden supports on either end of it to avoid the risk of drooping over time, like many center metal leaf bars tend to do. It came packaged well. There was lots of padding in the box to ensure no damage occurred during shipping. The only tool needed to assemble was a screwdriver. All other tools and hardware came with it. It actually included extras of each screw, bolt, and dowel, which was great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.